everybody, it's Megan again with Rocky Mountain Sewing and Vacuum, here with another Tip Tuesday for you. This week, we're going to be talking about the OESD Bouncy bin. And it bounces. Anyways, when we first found out about these bouncy bins, it was around tech party time, where Rob looked at it and went, huh, it's a cool hat. But I've actually discovered it actually has a really cool purpose, and I wanted to share with you. So, what I like about the bouncy bin, I don't know about you guys, when I'm embroidering, there's a lot of thread tails that get thrown around the room, and my vacuum cleaner is not a big fan of that. So what I figured out is that this bin is like perfect to put next to your machine on your table, to put next to your machine on your table, to put next to your machine on your table, wherever works for you, so that you can throw all of those little thread pieces, little applique, little corners of your fabric. It's a great place to store all of those little trashy things that kind of build around your sewing area when you don't know where there's a trash bin, so that you can go empty it later. And it has a lot of room in there. I was shocked. I made a whole freestanding lantern for my son for Halloween, and it took every single bit of thread, all of the applique, including circles that were about this big. It took all of that extra fabric and everything, and I was able to move it like crazy. Now, a couple things that I do like about it. On the bottom, there's a little piece of sticky Velcro. So if you are actually in a committed sewing space, unlike some people, you can actually stick this down to the table so it doesn't wander around too much, which I thought was a pretty clever idea. The other thing that I use it mostly for, though, is I tend to like to sew. I have a sewing room. I hang out with my husband in the studio sometimes. We hang out by the TV sometimes. So I end up all over the house. So not all of those rooms have a trash can in them. So what is nice is that I can take this, I can put it down, put the elastic around it, and I can carry it from room to room so that whenever I'm embroidering, or even just sewing, because you know we trim all the tails of the threads, I can carry it easily in my little bag with all my scissors and stuff, and then I always have a trash can nearby. I'm actually going to buy a second one to throw in my takeaway bag that I have my FOF passport in, so that when I come to actual classes, I also have another little trash can. So, for me, these little bouncy bins are an awesome tip because they have made my sewing room so much cleaner and my vacuum cleaner brush roll so much happier. It's been great. I hope you enjoyed this Tip Tuesday. As always, we love showing you all the new products that come into the store, so come say hi to us. Come watch our Sew and Tells and our Sew Funs every month. We have a lot of fun showing you all these new products and fun things. And I hope you join me next week on another Tip Tuesday.